What's up, guys? So, I've come across a trading opportunity that I'm looking to get involved in that is by far the largest risk to reward that I have ever taken. And I'm going to start here on the weekly time frame, which I don't trade off the weekly time frame. I mainly use the 4 hour, occasionally the 1 hour, occasionally the daily. But if we look dating back to September of 16, we saw this trend line here break at the beginning of this year. Draw it how you want it, however you like it. I don't use trend lines, I don't trade off them, but people do. Look out for them. So we saw that break. We haul this down to a daily time frame. Once we made this high, we put in this high here, broke the lows, put in a lower low, put in a lower high, put in a lower low, put in a lower high, put in a lower low, made an equal high, and this is where it gets interesting. So for the past month, we've been stuck in this consolidation box right here. Take down the 4 hour time frame, you can really see how congested that it has been. And we are waiting for this to break one way or the other. And we do have confirmation that now we have broken to the downside. There was a demand zone right in here. I can draw it for you guys. You see it was tested, shot out, tested, shot out, got close, shot out, just in, we're ranging back and forth in here. Came down in here more recently at the beginning of October, shot out, failed to get back to the high of the consolidation box, and then we made this little base, and we have just dropped from it. All right, get that other. So I'm looking for here. Hopefully we're going to get a pullback to this supply zone right here. And I'm looking to sell this pair. And my target is a long ways away. Over damn near 2,000 pips away. So this is a very large target. But hear me out. After making all these, analyzing the trend, making lower lows, we've been making lower highs. We made an equal high here. We poked above it a couple times. This high, we did poke above it. That's nothing to be concerned about. So play we're looking for is to sell this pair, worrying about these demand zones. But if they start breaking, like we saw this one break already, which is an awesome sign, we're looking for this one to break, this one to break, and of course we're going to be trailing our stop along the way, putting it above fresh supply zones or swing highs if we have to, according to our rules. This could be the most problematic one because we got a demand zone that formed on top of a larger time frame demand zone. I think that was on the daily that I spotted that one. But if we look at this demand zone, how many times have we been back? Once, twice, and 3 times. Buyers are going to stop buying at this if we're not able to. If it keeps revisiting it, buyers are going to stop buying there. This was a demand zone too, but we saw that one break on this strong sell side move right here. So that one is invalid now. I won't be paying any attention to it, although it could be relevant, but according to my analysis, my rules, this is no longer anything I'm paying attention to. This will be the area that if I gotta get out there, I'm still getting an awesome risk to reward. I haven't measured it out yet. Let's see what it'll be. If I gotta get out, say it bounces out of there and I gotta come back up, get out up here, 7 to 1. that I'll take that all day long. But I'm going 25 to 1 on this. Hopefully running down through that demand zone. This right here, I haven't plotted it. Potentially another demand zone. You know, something like that. Maybe down there. Maybe that's another something to watch out for. We saw buyers come in there. Buyers definitely came in here. Scooted it up. So maybe that's another area I need to be on the lookout for. But I'm shooting big on this one. And this is where these trades are where the money's made. I get a lot of small losers, and that's fine. But 25 to 1 sets me up pretty well. If you hit the full 25 to 1, I can go on a 25 losing streak and still be break even after this. I mean, I'm making a lot of assumptions here such that, I'm actually going to hit a 25 to 1, and also then I hit 25 losers in a row. Very unlikely. Both scenarios are probably pretty unlikely, but I'm still going to shoot for the 25 to 1. And if it's something I can pull off, that can make a trading year. One trade can make you a lot of money. And that's what I'm going to be watching over the next couple days here. I'll still be concerned with my other pairs. My Euro Kiwi, we did see a push out on that, but kind of coming back down in there. Not sure where the confidence level is on this one really, but we'll see how it plays out. We could form a bottom here. Still shoot up. The Euro CAD has not met my entry. See how close we got. Now we're back down into this consolidation box. So consider that maybe a false break. Maybe push up. If we push up out, there's stops up here above this swing high. People got short. So if we push back up to around these highs, I definitely see that high being violated. And my entry being met here for a short. I still got this on here. My long tool. But this short play, this one over here is more what I'm looking at. I'm hoping for. UJ, like I said, hit that 1 hour supply, fell out. This might be another supply level formed right here. I'm more interested in getting in up here. CAD yen has definitely fallen away from my entry point. Would have been nice to get in on that. If it had just gone up a little bit more and poked my entry, I'd be sitting pretty right now. 2.5 risk reward. My swing or my stop would be placed above this little swing high right here. Pretty close to break even, just a little bit in front of it. Protect myself from the spread. I wasn't able to get in on that one. But this GJ, this pound yen, I'm excited about this one, guys. We'll see what happens. If and when I meet entry, I will post an update. Yeah, thanks for watching.